And suddenly he asked, hey, what you people are doing? So why don't you join? Straight away he put this. Actually, my age was, I was already 32 by then.
Temple commander was Jai Chaitanya Prabhu.
Yeah, Jai Chaitanya Prabhu was very nice. At the same time, he was a little tough also. In the old temple, you'll be in the toilet, suddenly there's no water, nothing new. All these things Prabhupada has done in abundance. Difficult times comes for devotees also. Sometimes reversal will come. You will have some idea. The leader may not be gelling with that. Just like this TP meeting and all happened. That's what breaking the head actually. Most of the time it goes in that. Maybe little disturbance also will be there for a day. It should not be always in your head. If somebody does sadhana properly from morning till what are that 4 or 5 hours, that is where we get the strength.
So at that point of when everything is going good, and sadhana is also good, my service is also good, I'm getting some fruits, things are being appreciated in the social circle, then how do I maintain my equilibrium and status? Yes, I am humble, it's all done by the Lord. Superficially I can say that, but deep within the core of the heart, how to develop that?
Don't listen to anybody. Because different devotees will tell different things actually. I'm not actually smart like that in observing all these things. So spiritual life becomes very easy.
When there's no speculation and full authority.
Yes.
Because you just open the temple and there are flood of deities and shortage of devotees and you don't know how to worship them. In that sense, they'll operate. What we have today, the highest standard is iskcon bank.
Actually, Krishna only was running Prabhupada's mercy, it was going on. And I used to see only couple of devotees are collecting good fun. Why others are what? Others are doing. I always, when the Madhu Pandit Prabhu, almost 6 months, he didn't sleep night time. Then Madhu Pandit Prabhu was calling 3-4 devotees daily, 9:30 to 3:30 in the morning. And it was going for 6 months. And in that many devotees were convinced. Prabhu told, you are all intelligent boys. You just go through the folio, you read. You have any question, you ask me. I'm not forcing anything upon you.
So when are you taking sannyasa?